Welcome to Kidz Playhouse. Hi friends. I have a surprise. I have a surprise in this box. Can you guess it? It's ice. Yay! Look at this. It's money. Pour water in this box. Keep it in the freezer for 1 day. The water is coming out. Next, water becomes like this. Ice. I got it. Take some watercolors and take paintbrush and let's paint it. Yay! Let's paint rainbow. Yes, my favorite one. That's super. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Is VTR.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red.
Wow. I'm painting violet. Now I'm making indigo. We need to mix blue and red. 2 colors. Next we do add blue color. Next paint with green color. Next, orange color. I'm painting with orange. I know what to do. Is we need to take some orange and put it like this.
Wow, it's super
Nice. Now red color.
Wow, it's super.
Let's drop the colors now.
Wow.
What's happening?
When we paint on ice, watercolors dissolves in ice.
I got you. Ice. Wow, look, this is pretty.
I'm adding green color. Now I am painting with yellow color. After some time, I start melting.
Wow, it's great. Look at this. I like to paint. Like this. Now let's paint pink color.
Look at here. Water is coming out of it.
I got it. Wow, look at these colors. It's so beautiful. Try this painting at your home. Guys, I hope you like the video. Give a big thumbs up.
Watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.